Hi. So today I'm going to show you a quick little trip using Beaver Builder. I have my client's website, and this phone number here is clickable on a mobile, but this phone number here is not clickable on a mobile. So I want to make sure that this one is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Beaver Builder to edit my page. So I click on Beaver Builder up at the top. There we go. And then you can tell everything becomes editable. And then you go ahead and click in the area that you want to edit. And then you've got this text box that pops up. So what you need to do is you need to highlight the text, the phone number, and copy it, right? And then you're going to click the link button here. And then you're going to use a piece of code that will tell it to call. So I went and found this little code. It's TEL colon and then the phone number. All right. So that's what we're going to do over here is we're going to put TEL colon and then the phone number. Now take out your hyphens. And then go ahead and click apply. Well, I don't know why I didn't. Let's put it in here. Go TEL colon. Take that and then say add link. Okay, and then we're going to save it. And then we're going to say done. And then we're going to publish. All right, so that's the quick and easy of it. Now to test it. All right, now I have to get tricky here and swap over my phone. So we're going to see how I manage that one. All right, so we're going to begin by opening your phone up, going to the web page, scrolling down, clicking the number right here. There you go. It shows that you can click it, you can call it, or you can cancel it. I chose to cancel. So thank you very much for watching this demonstration. I hope that it helps you. If you have any questions, please feel free to send me a message or comment, and I'll be glad to help you out. Have a great day.